God bless you. Just drove up to the salon for my retightening. I'm gonna go ahead and send her a text and let her know that I'm out here and see how long it will be before I get started. I am about 14 minutes early for my appointment, and that's a good thing. I'll be back with you soon. Feels so good. Looks so good. Yes, it does. Oh man. It's all that and more. And I couldn't find the lock with the rubber band on it, but she found it and she said there's nothing wrong with any of my locks. I don't have any bunching. Everything's going well. I have to schedule my next appointment. I didn't do it before I left. I was just so excited. Yes, I am so excited. I'm so happy. I really want you to see the results of this retie. It's really good. I really like it. And I know I've said that a lot of times, but I want to show you this view in a better light. So that's my right side. The left. Middle. And I'm going to let my middle part stay there a minute. Just because I can. Just because I can. Okay, we're going to turn around for the back. And I want you to know, when I got there, the first thing I mentioned was my lock with the rubber band on it, and we couldn't find it right away. And so she did like the front of my hair and the middle first. And when she got there, she said, I found the lock with the rubber band. And it's perfectly healthy, it's fine, no problem. So there was no problem with that lock. And I just want to say that right now I'm kind of tired because after working today and then driving 45 minutes to get my hair retightened, I had an evening meal with my brother. I left my brother's house and I went to the final fitting with my future daughter-in-law for her dress. And then I drove back home. And I've eaten an apple. And now I'm going to get some rest. So everybody, God bless you.